Now let's integrate Razorpay with Trackocity. So to do that, I am in integration page here, and you can see the Razorpay integration option. Just click on connect, and in the first three fields, API secret, API key, and client secret, just enter default. Just type default, and you don't have to do anything else. Then these are the main two things. Copy this webhook URL, right? Copy this webhook URL. Come to your Razorpay dashboard. Here I'm on my Razorpay dashboard homepage. Go to accounts settings. Under website and app settings, you will find webhooks. Click on it. Click on add new webhook and enter your webhook URL here, right? So you have entered your webhook URL. After that, come back to Trackocity and copy this signature key, right? This is the secret key that we have. Just paste it here. In alert email, add your email that you want to be alerted on if webhook encounters any problems. Now this is the most important part. In the active events, you have to select four events that you need to track on Trackocity to track accurate conversions, right? Or subscriptions you have, if you have any. So to do that, the first one is payment capture. So click on payment capture. I mean, click on payment capture, then refund. Uh, Click on refund processed. Then there is subscription charged. So click on subscription charge, and the last one is order paid, right? So these are the four active events that you have to select in order to accurately track conversions. After you have selected all these events, click on create webhook, and your webhook will be saved, right? Come back to Trackocity and click on submit. Now you will see a success message here. It means that Razorpay is successfully connected with Trackocity. Thank you.